Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A luxurious modern penthouse terrace with breathtaking panoramic views of a city skyline. The spacious outdoor living area is elegantly designed with plush beige sofas, cushioned chairs, and a sleek coffee table at the center, creating a sophisticated yet comfortable atmosphere. Large glass walls and sliding doors seamlessly connect the interior and exterior spaces, allowing natural light to flood the home while providing uninterrupted views of the skyscrapers beyond. Potted plants, including tropical greenery and decorative arrangements, add a refreshing touch of nature to the contemporary design. The wooden flooring and ceiling details bring warmth to the space, while the patterned rug beneath the seating area introduces texture and character. As the sun sets, golden light illuminates the terrace, highlighting both the modern architecture and the vibrant cityscape in the background. Overall, this terrace is a perfect blend of urban luxury and natural serenity, offering an elevated lifestyle experience above the bustling city. A luxurious modern outdoor living space seamlessly integrated with nature. At the center, a sleek swimming pool and jacuzzi are framed by wooden decks and lush greenery, creating a tranquil resort-like atmosphere. On the right side, a cozy sunken lounge surrounds a contemporary fire pit, offering a warm and inviting space for relaxation. Comfortable cushioned seating and loungers are arranged throughout, designed for both leisure and social gatherings. The open-plan indoor area flows directly into the garden, featuring a stylish kitchen and living space with modern finishes, including stone accents and wooden details. Large sliding doors blur the boundary between indoors and outdoors, maximizing natural light and fresh air. Towering tropical plants and trees envelop the entire area, enhancing privacy and adding a vibrant, jungle-like feel. The combination of natural textures, water elements, and greenery creates a serene yet sophisticated retreat perfect for both relaxation and entertaining. A luxurious and modern outdoor living space designed with elegance and harmony with nature. A wooden deck furnished with stylish rattan chairs, cushioned loungers, and a central coffee table creates a warm and inviting relaxation area beneath a sleek covered pergola. To the right, a rectangular pool with crystal clear water adds a refreshing touch, complemented by surrounding tropical plants that bring vibrancy and privacy. Above, a unique glass-bottom rooftop pool extends outward, making the architecture stand out while offering a dramatic view from above. Further back, a cozy lounge with colorful cushions sits beside a second water feature, enhanced by a pergola adorned with hanging plants and surrounded by lush greenery. The entire space is framed by vibrant landscaping, combining manicured grass, stepping stones, and tall trees, creating a serene atmosphere that blends modern design with natural beauty. It is a perfect setting for both leisure and entertaining, embodying luxury outdoor living in an urban environment. A luxurious rooftop terrace at sunset, blending modern design with breathtaking views. The centerpiece is a stylish sunken lounge area featuring a large U-shaped sectional sofa with soft gray cushions and warm orange accent pillows. In the middle, a sleek fire pit glows, surrounded by underlit wooden decking that radiates a golden ambience, enhancing the cozy atmosphere. To the left, an elegant open-air bar and kitchen space with minimalist bar stools extends the social area, illuminated by warm recessed lighting. Tropical plants, including palms and bird of paradise, frame the terrace, adding a touch of natural beauty. In the background, the panoramic cityscape stretches toward distant mountains, with the dramatic sunset painting the sky in hues of orange, purple, and pink. The entire setting exudes sophistication and relaxation, making it an ideal spot for evening gatherings or simply enjoying the view. a beautifully designed outdoor living space surrounded by lush greenery. At the center is a modern pergola with a wooden slatted roof supported by sleek black steel beams. Beneath it, there are elegant lounge chairs and daybeds with soft gray cushions, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. A striking stone fireplace with a warm, glowing fire adds a touch of comfort and charm, making the space ideal for evening relaxation. Hanging swings and woven decor pieces bring a natural and playful vibe, while potted plants and tropical foliage enhance the connection with nature. The stone pathway with grass inlays leads into the space, blending seamlessly with the surrounding garden. Overall, this outdoor retreat perfectly combines modern architecture with tropical serenity, offering a luxurious and tranquil setting for relaxation or gatherings. A serene and stylish lounge space designed with natural and earthy elements. The room features low, cushioned seating arranged around the perimeter, with plush white cushions and pillows creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. In the center, round woven rattan poufs rest on a neutral woven rug, enhancing the organic and minimalist design. The ceiling is made of wooden slats, allowing sunlight to filter through softly, casting warm natural shadows across the room. Large open windows frame lush greenery outside, offering a refreshing view of tall grasses, tropical plants, and distant city buildings. Additional decor includes indoor plants in woven baskets and a round wicker wall piece that complements the overall bohemian aesthetic. This tranquil space combines modern comfort with natural textures, creating a perfect retreat for relaxation and connection with nature. A lush tropical garden pathway leading to a cozy outdoor lounge under a modern pergola. The wooden deck creates a warm and inviting walkway, framed by vibrant greenery, colorful flowering plants, and large tropical leaves. Smooth stones and carefully placed boulders add a natural, organic touch to the landscaping. At the end of the path, the pergola structure with wooden slats and black steel beams provides shade and elegance, while comfortable lounge seating invites relaxation. The backdrop of tall city buildings contrasts with the serene, jungle-like atmosphere of the garden, blending urban living with a private oasis. The combination of tropical plants, wooden textures, and cozy seating makes this space feel like a tranquil retreat in the heart of the city. A beautifully designed rooftop terrace with a warm and inviting atmosphere. The space features wooden decking and stylish outdoor furniture, including cushioned sofas and chairs with wooden frames, complemented by woven stools and a central coffee table. A mustard yellow throw and accent pillows add a cozy pop of color. Above, two large golden sunshades provide both shade and a modern aesthetic, while lush greenery, such as banana plants, ferns, and potted shrubs, surrounds the seating area, bringing a refreshing tropical vibe. The combination of natural textures, vibrant plants, and comfortable seating creates a perfect spot for relaxation, entertaining, or enjoying a sunny afternoon in an urban setting. A luxurious rooftop terrace with a breathtaking view of the city skyline at dusk. The space is elegantly designed with warm wooden flooring and a modern pergola ceiling that features built-in lighting, creating a cozy and sophisticated atmosphere. The large gray sectional sofa with colorful accent pillows provides comfortable seating, centered around a sleek black coffee table and complemented by unique wooden stump stools. On the right side, a stylish bar counter with stools and soft ambient lighting adds a touch of refinement, making the area perfect for entertaining. Lush greenery and planters filled with vibrant plants line the edges of the terrace, blending nature with modern urban design. Soft, glowing lanterns and carefully placed lights enhance the relaxing evening mood, making this rooftop a stunning retreat above the bustling city. A serene urban garden that beautifully blends nature with modern architecture. A stone pathway with clean geometric steps leads through the lush greenery, framed by tall plants, shrubs, and vibrant flowers. The design uses layered landscaping, creating depth and texture with a mix of tropical foliage and colorful blossoms. On the left, a minimalist concrete wall with vertical patterns enhances the contemporary look, while the surrounding greenery softens the structure. In the background, tall apartment buildings rise above the trees, emphasizing the contrast between the bustling city and the peaceful garden retreat. The warm sunlight filtering through the trees adds a tranquil, inviting atmosphere, making this space a perfect escape in the heart of the city.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.